Welcome to Germany, a country rich in history, culture, and breathtaking landscapes. From fairy tale castles to bustling cities, Germany has something to offer every traveler. Today we're counting down the top 15 places to visit in Germany for 2024. Whether you're a history enthusiast, a foodie, or an outdoor adventurer, you're bound to find something that captures your heart. So, let's embark on this journey through the wonders of Germany. Get ready to explore the vibrant culture, stunning architecture, and natural beauty that make Germany a top destination. Join us as we uncover the must-see spots and hidden gems of this incredible country. Starting our countdown at number 15 is Dresden, known for its stunning Baroque architecture and vibrant art scene. Don't miss the impressive Frauenkirche and the Zwinger Palace. Take a leisurely stroll along the Elbe River and soak in the city's rich history. Explore the vibrant art galleries and cultural events. Savor the local cuisine at one of the many charming restaurants and cafes. End your day with a breathtaking view of the Dresden skyline at sunset. At number 14 we have Heidelberg, home to Germany's oldest university, founded in 1386. This charming town is famous for its beautiful castle overlooking the Neckar River, a must-see for history enthusiasts. Explore the cobblestone streets and enjoy the lively atmosphere in the old town. Perfect for a romantic getaway. Don't miss the Philosopher's Walk, offering stunning views of the city and the river, ideal for a peaceful stroll. Number 13 is Nuremberg, a city steeped in history and tradition. Famous for its medieval architecture, the Nuremberg Castle offers panoramic views of the city. Be sure to visit the historic market square and try the local gingerbread cookies. Don't miss the scenic Pegnitz River, with its picturesque bridges and charming half-timbered houses. At night, the city comes alive with illuminated streets and a festive atmosphere, making it a must-visit destination in Germany. Coming in at number 12 is the enchanting Black Forest. Known for its dense woods and picturesque villages, this region is perfect for hiking, cycling, and indulging in delicious Black Forest cake. Don't forget to explore the charming town of Freiburg. The Black Forest is also home to stunning waterfalls, serene lakes, and traditional houses. Whether you're enjoying a picnic, cycling with family, or watching a beautiful sunset, the Black Forest offers something for everyone. At number 11 we find Munich, the capital of Bavaria. Famous for its beer gardens and Oktoberfest, Munich is a city rich in culture. Visit the stunning Nymphenburg Palace and enjoy the vibrant atmosphere in the Marienplatz. Don't miss the English Garden, one of the largest urban parks in the world, perfect for a relaxing stroll or a picnic. Munich's blend of historic and modern attractions makes it a must-visit destination in Germany. Number 10 is Cologne, home to the magnificent Cologne Cathedral, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Its stunning Gothic architecture is truly awe-inspiring. Take a stroll along the Rhine River and explore the vibrant Altstadt, or Old Town. Don't miss the Hohenzollern Bridge, famous for its thousands of lovelocks. Cologne is also known for its rich cultural scene, with numerous museums like the Museum Ludwig, showcasing modern art. If you visit in February, experience the lively Cologne Carnival, one of the largest street festivals in Europe. During the winter, the city's Christmas markets are a must-see, offering festive decorations, delicious treats, and unique gifts. At number 9 we have Rothenburg ob der Tauber, a fairy tale town that looks straight out of a storybook. With its well-preserved medieval buildings, charming streets, and Christmas market, this is a place where time seems to stand still. Be sure to climb the town wall for stunning views. Don't miss the iconic Planline with its half-timbered houses. The town is equally enchanting at night with its illuminated streets. Visit St. James's Church to see its intricate wood carvings. The town square is a bustling hub, perfect for soaking in the local culture. Coming in at number 8 is Berlin, the vibrant capital of Germany. A city that embraces its history while pushing forward into modernity. Explore the iconic Brandenburg Gate, the Berlin Wall, and indulge in the city's eclectic food scene. Berlin is a cultural hub that can't be missed. Experience the vibrant nightlife with its famous clubs and bars. Relax in the lush parks like Tiergarten, perfect for a peaceful retreat. Don't forget to shop in Kurfürstendamm, Berlin's premier shopping avenue. Number 7 is Neuschwanstein Castle, the inspiration for Disney's Sleeping Beauty castle. Perched on a hilltop, this breathtaking castle offers stunning views of the Bavarian Alps. The interiors are equally impressive, with opulent rooms and intricate designs. Built by King Ludwig II, it's a fairy tale come to life. The castle's picturesque setting and rich history make it a must-visit for any traveler exploring Germany. Don't miss the chance to experience this architectural marvel. At number 6, we have Hamburg, a vibrant port city known for its maritime charm. Explore the historic Speicherstadt, visit the stunning Elbphilharmonie Concert Hall, and take a leisurely stroll along the picturesque waterfront. Don't miss the lively Reeperbahn at night, a hub of entertainment. Enjoy a boat ride on Ulster Lake or marvel at the intricate displays in miniature wonderland. Hamburg's unique atmosphere and diverse attractions are sure to captivate you. Coming in at number 5 is Bamberg, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its stunning medieval architecture and charming canals. This picturesque town is often referred to as the Franconian Rome due to its 7 hills, each crowned with a church. Don't miss the iconic Bamberg Cathedral, a masterpiece of Romanesque architecture, and be sure to try the local smoked beer known as Rauchbier, a unique taste experience. Wander through the narrow cobblestone streets and soak in the historic charm of this beautiful town. At number 4, we find Frankfurt, Germany's financial hub. This dynamic city combines modern skyscrapers with historic sites like the Römer and St. Bartholomew's Cathedral. Visit the Palmengarten for a touch of nature and enjoy the vibrant culinary scene. The Römer, with its distinctive architecture, is a must-see. St. Bartholomew's Cathedral offers a glimpse into the city's rich history. The Palmengarten is perfect for nature lovers. Don't miss out on the vibrant culinary scene with diverse food markets and gourmet restaurants. Number 3 is Regensburg, a beautiful city with a rich medieval heritage. The Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is filled with cobblestone streets and stunning architecture. Don't miss the stone bridge and the impressive Regensburg Cathedral. The city is also known for its vibrant cultural scene and picturesque views along the Danube River. Enjoy a leisurely stroll or relax at one of the many charming cafes. Regensburg truly offers a unique blend of history and modern-day charm. At number 2, we have Zugspitze, the highest peak in Germany, standing at 2,962 meters. Offering breathtaking views of the Alps, this mountain is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts year-round. Whether you're skiing in winter or hiking in summer, the natural beauty here is unparalleled. You can take a cable car to the summit, where you'll find an observation deck and a restaurant. Don't miss the stunning sunsets and night views from the top. And finally, at number 1, we have the Romantic Road, a scenic route that takes you through charming towns, vineyards, and medieval castles. Starting in Würzburg and ending in Füssen, this journey is a feast for the senses and a perfect way to experience the beauty of Bavaria. No matter the season, the Romantic Road offers breathtaking views and unforgettable experiences. Whether you're cycling, hiking, or simply driving, this route is a must-see for any traveler. So make sure to add the Romantic Road to your travel itinerary for an enchanting adventure. Germany is a country filled with diverse landscapes and rich history. From bustling cities to vibrant street scenes, there's so much to explore. The serene countryside and iconic travel destinations offer unique experiences. Don't miss the local festivals and delicious cuisine that add to the charm. Whether you're an adventurer or a history buff, Germany has something for everyone. Now, if you're planning a trip, here's a suggested itinerary to help you make the most of your adventure. Day 1 to 2, Berlin. Explore iconic landmarks, museums, and the vibrant food scene. Don't miss the Berlin Wall and Checkpoint Charlie. Day 3, Dresden. Visit historic sites and enjoy riverside strolls. Take a tour of the Zwinger Palace and the Semper Opera House. Day 4, Nuremberg. Discover medieval architecture and local delicacies. Explore the Nuremberg Trials Memorial and the Toy Museum. Day 5 to 6, Munich. Experience Bavarian culture, visit museums, and relax in beer gardens. Don't miss the English Garden and the BMW Museum. Enjoy the vibrant atmosphere of the Oktoberfest if you visit in autumn. Day 7, Neuschwanstein Castle. Tour the castle and enjoy the surrounding scenery. Take a hike to the nearby Neuschwanstein Castle. Day 8, Rothenburg, ob der Tauber. Wander through the fairy tale streets and enjoy the local shops. Visit the Medieval Crime Museum and the Christmas Museum. Day 9, Regensburg. Explore the charming old town and historic sites. Don't miss the Regensburg Cathedral and the Stone Bridge. Day 10, Zugspitze. Enjoy outdoor activities and breathtaking views. Take the cable car to the summit and hike the trails. Day 11, Black Forest. Relax in nature and savor local cuisine. Visit the Triberg Waterfalls and the Black Forest Open Air Museum. Day 12, Hamburg. Experience the vibrant harbor and lively cultural scene. Explore the miniature wonderland and the St. Michael's Church. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through Germany's top destinations. Pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable adventure in this fascinating country. See you next time.